Hi everyone, in the continuation of the Neoplasia series, today we are going to discuss the very important short note, that is metastasis, or the mechanism of spread of a neoplasm and the route of spread of a neoplasm. See, remember one very important thing, that all those tumors which are malignant, they are going to metastasize. They are going to go from one place to the another. So before going to the detail of anything, just let me focus on what is metastasis. So remember, metastasis are the tumor implants. Okay, so first one is your definition, which you must remember, that metastasis is your tumor implants discontinuous with the primary tumor, the tumor implants which are discontinuous with the primary tumor. Now for example, यहाँ पर एक ट्यूमर हुआ, प्राइमरी ट्यूमर, ठीक है, बहुत सारे ट्यूमर्स प्राइमरी मीन्स कौन सी लोकेशन पे वो हो रहे हैं, ठीक है। अगर ये ट्यूमर यहाँ से कट के दूसरी जगह पे जा रहा है, so these are the tumor implant, okay, which is discontinuous. It is not continuous, it is discontinuous with the primary tumor. Okay, so first one, it is a tumor implant. Second one is it is discontinuous with the primary tumor. Okay, now in benign tumor these are absent, and in your malignant tumor these are frequently present. For exception's sake, we have something known as gliomas. Glioma is actually a tumor which is not metastatizing. Metastasis नहीं होता, no metastasis. Fine, so just remember. Fine, so now we are going to discuss the mechanism or the route, किस तरीके से वो जाने वाला है। तो हम लोग को जो अभी डिस्कस करना है, दैट इज इन्वेजन एंड मेटास्टेसिस। पहले मैं आपको डिटेल में कराऊंगा, उसके बाद में वी विल understand it diagrammatically, pictorially. Okay, see, firstly what is going to happen, there will be loosening of the tumor cells. Firstly there will be loosening of the tumor cells. Now see, ये जो सेल्स यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, ये सेल है, ये सेल है, ये सेल है, these are binded by this green color substance, and this green color substance is CAM or the cadherins. Okay, these are the cell adhesion molecules or cadherins, ये जोड़ के रखते हैं दो सेल्स को, ठीक है। now see, if there is loosening of the tumor cells, loosening of the tumor cells का क्या मतलब होता है, that the epithelial proteins, sorry, that your cadherins are going to decrease. That is the loosening of the tumor cells. Cadherins are going to decrease, ठीक है। तो जैसे ही टूटा, cadherins टूटे, now your cell is going to, the tumor cell is going to come down 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 down. Okay, समझ में आ गया। loosening of tumor cell क्यों होता है, because there is something known as epithelial mesenchymal transition. The epithelial cells like cadherins, sorry, epithelial proteins like cadherins are going to decrease, and the mesenchymal proteins are going to increase. Okay, and this transition is going to occur by two genes, twist gene and snail gene, ठीक है। अल्टीमेटली क्या हो रहा है, जो आपके एपिथीलियम के प्रोटीन थे जैसे कि कैडरिन, they are going to change into mesenchymal proteins. So obviously epithelial proteins decrease हो जाएंगे, ठीक है, कैडरिन्स जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाएंगे, और जैसे ही कैडरिन्स डिक्रीज होते हैं, आपके सेल्स जो है वो एक एक करके टूटने लगेंगे, एक दूसरे से बिछड़ने लगेंगे और नीचे आना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे। ओके, तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज लूजनिंग ऑफ द ट्यूमर सेल्स। नेक्स्ट इज योर डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर प्रोटीन, degradation of extracellular protein. Now what does this mean? See, there is something known as tumor cell, and tumor cell is going to secrete matrix metalloprotein, matrix metalloprotein, जो कि एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर प्रोटीन्स जो हैं उनको डिग्रेड करना शुरू करेगा। सी व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, एंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज कि जो आपके पास में ट्यूमर सेल्स हैं, now these tumor cells are going to release something known as matrix metalloproteins. They are going to degrade ये एंडोथीलियल, बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन, जितना भी कुछ यहाँ पर है, ये उसको डिग्रेड करना स्टार्ट करेगा। इट इज गोइंग टू डिग्रेड, ओके, एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर प्रोटीन्स ऑफ टिश्यू एपिथेलियम, बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन एंड एवरीथिंग। उसके बाद क्या होगा, जो सेल है आपका वो एंटर कर जाएगा इनसाइड द ब्लड वेसल, ओके, the cell is going to enter inside the blood vessel. That is known as migration of tumor cell into the vessel. Okay, and once it goes inside, it is going to carry some extracellular matrix proteins also. ठीक है, तो ये जो ऑरेंज कलर के दिख रहे हैं, these are extracellular matrix proteins. Okay, in the end, what you are going to see is a tumor embolus formation. It is a tumor embolus formation. Now, what is tumor embolus formation? Tumor cells plus extracellular matrix plus some amount of blood cells and plasma protein. ओके, तो ये जो आपको दिख रहा है, दिस इज अ ट्यूमर एम्बोलिज्म. दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज अ ट्यूमर एम्बोलस. ओके, नाउ फर्दर इट इज गोइंग टू गेट इनटू द सर्कुलेशन. इट गेट्स डिपॉजिटेड. कहाँ कहाँ पे डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा? कैपिलरी, वेन, साइनस एक्सेट्रा. अब आपका जो मेन क्वेश्चन है वो स्टार्ट होता है कि व्हाट आर द पाथवेज ऑफ स्प्रेड. अभी तो हमने कहा कि ये कैसे मेन साइट ऑफ ओरिजिन से आपके ब्लड वेसल में या वेसल में आ रहा है. ओके, so the mechanism of spread is lymphatics, it is the venous system, it is the arterial system, and there is something known as direct seeding of the body cavities. Directly seeding of the body cavities हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्ट, आर्टरीज के अंदर में इतना ज़्यादा होता नहीं. क्यों नहीं होता? बिकॉज arteries, they have a very strong muscle coat and it's very difficult to invade inside that muscle coat. That is why arterial spread बहुत कम होता है. You have venous spread. Venous spread के अंदर में it can go into the lungs, liver and the vertebrae. Okay, so there it can lodge lungs, liver and the vertebrae. And fourth one is your in the lymphatics. See, from one lymph node to the another lymph node. Okay, so firstly it enters from the afferent lymphatic. It is going to lodge in the subcapsular space, subcapsular sinus. देन उसके बाद में इफरेंट के थ्रू ये दूसरे वाले लिम्फ नोड के अंदर में एंटर कर जाता है. ओके, सो दिस स्प्रेड इज एक्चुअली समवॉट इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट इज नोन एज लिम्फैटिक स्प्रेड. और लिम्फैटिक स्प्रेड को आपको थोड़ा सा डिटेल में करना है. सी, द फर्स्ट lymph node in which your tumor cell is going, that is called as sensual node. Okay, sensual node. See, if the sensual lymph node does not metastasize, there is no metastasis. Okay, अगर हम ने ये देख ले, हमें पता लग जाए कि यार ये लिम्फ नोड जो है ना स्वेल हो चुका है, आप फटाफट से क्या कीजिए, उसका फ्रोजन सेक्शन ले लीजिए. ठीक है, वी सी द सेंशियल नोड. सेंशियल नोड के अंदर इफ इट इज फ्री ऑफ मेटास्टेसिस, दैट मीन्स व्हाट डज दैट मीन? देखो, अगर ये आपके पास में सेंशियल नोड है, ठीक है, सेंशियल नोड के अंदर आपने इसका फ्रोजन सेक्शन लिया. फ्रोजन सेक्शन में आपने देखा कि यहाँ पर आपके पास में एक मेटास्टेसाइज ट्यूमर सेल प्रेजेंट है. अगर मेटास्टेसाइज ट्यूमर सेल प्रेजेंट है, इसका मतलब उसने मेटास्टेसाइज नहीं किया है. और मेटास्टेसाइज नहीं किया है तो आप क्या करते हो? इसको उठाते हो और इसको रिमूव कर देते हो इन ऑर्डर टू प्रिवेंट योर मेटास्टेसिस. बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने लिम्फ नोड लिया और वो लिम्फ नोड आपका खाली था, इट वॉज एम्प्टी, दैट मीन्स द ट्यूमर हैज मेटास्टेसाइज. तो इसको रिमूव करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. That is what I want to say when I say for the lymph node spread. Okay, चलिए, so this was the mechanism जो कि हम लोग ने written में देखा theory में. Now we will try and we'll figure out with the help of this beautiful diagram. See, if I divide it into three parts, let me just divide it into three parts. Yes, so in first part what you can see is the things which we have seen. Okay, now okay, just focus on this part. Okay, just focus on this part. You can see there is a transformed cell. Now this transformed cell is going to enter into the basement membrane. I told you how it is going to enter, with the help of MMP. MMP is your matrix metalloprotein that is going to degrade your basement membrane, degrade your extracellular proteins, so that the tumor cell is going to enter. And the first thing, this one, that was the loosening of the tumor cell. Loosening of the tumor cell किसके help से होता है? Epithelial mesenchymal transition, that is going to take place with the help of twist gene and snail gene mutation. Okay, उसके बाद में you have, yes, so once it enters inside your basement membrane, once it is entering, I told you that it is going to carry some of the extracellular matrix. Okay, so once it is going to invade your blood vessel, see this is your blood vessel, that is called as intravasation. That is called what? That is called intravasation. Now after that, after intravasation, this is number one. Yes, after intravasation, what you are going to see, that it is going to form a embolus. It is going to form what? It is going to form a embolus. The platelets are going to aggregate, red cells are going to aggregate, plasma proteins are going to aggregate, and that will leading to a thromboembolism, sorry, tumor embolism formation. Once there is a tumor embolism formation, the third thing which you are going to see is the extravasation. What is extravasation? The tumor cells are going to come out of your blood vessels and they are going to be deposited. Now the place where they are going to deposit, you will see that this is a secondary. Okay, it can be a liver secondaries, lung secondaries, etc. Okay, so सेकेंडरीज का फॉर्मेशन जो है वहां पर मेटास्टेसिस के अंदर हो जाता है. देयर द नेक्स्ट इवेंट विल बी योर एंजियोजेनेसिस. एंजियो मीन्स ब्लड वेसल, जेनेसिस मीन्स फॉर्मेशन. योर मेटास्टेटिक ट्यूमर इज गोइंग टू हैव इट्स ओन angiogenesis, its own angiogenesis, these blood vessels you can see. Okay, and ultimately it is going to grow. Okay, so in easy steps, if I would like to tell you, the very first thing I told you is the loosening of the tumor cells. The second thing will be the degradation of the basement membrane. Okay, the second thing is degradation of basement membrane. First thing is your loosening of the tumor cell. The third thing will be your intravasation. Fourth thing will be your formation of tumor embolism, and the fifth but not the last thing is your extravasation, and sixth thing will be angiogenesis. Okay, so these are the 5-6 things which demarcates the complete root, complete spread, and complete metastasis. Thank you for watching.